and welcome to our office. I'm Dr. Lillian Wong.
And I'm Dr. Bill Sproul.
For over 30 years, we have been providing optimal dental care for our Carlisle residents and the surrounding community.
We get a lot of satisfaction from our commitment to serving the community and the larger world through dental missions. Here are some thoughts and comments from our many friends who've become patients for years.
My name is Sheila Bixby, and I'm from Carlisle, Pennsylvania. We originally came here because of my father being in the military, so I have actually been coming to this office since I was 13 years old, which is almost 30 years, and there aren't many places I can say that about. So I won't say I like coming to the dentist. However, they always have made it a very relaxing experience. Listen to what I say, which is really important. I know when I started coming as a kid, it's always a hassle, but they always would make me laugh and kind of take my mind off of what was going on. I remember I had sealants. I had to have sealants put in all of my teeth, and it's been really interesting over the years every time I come back to hear, oh, this one's finally ready to be replaced. Okay, so we've had that kind of history together, and I walk in and they know who I am, they know my name. They know what's going on with my family, with my life, and that just is all something that makes me feel really comfortable and it's not a bad place to come. My children all come here. They're 17, 14, and 10, and they've been coming since they had their very first dental appointment here, and not one of them is ever afraid to come to the dentist. And I do have friends who say, oh, especially when they were little, oh, I've got to take my kid to the dentist today. We're practically going to have to sedate him. And that's never been the case. Dr. Wong and Dr. Sproul have always made my children feel comfortable here, and listen to them. Even as children, if they have oh, this hurts or this isn't feeling good or whatever, they always would listen, talk with them before any procedure, tell them everything they were going to do. And that's always been the case. It was the case when I was 13. It's been the case through my entire experience here. And it's certainly the case with my children and my husband, who comes as well.
Hi, my name's John McKinley. I'm from Chambersburg, Pennsylvania, and I've been coming to Dr. Sproul and Dr. Wong for 22 years. What I like about them is that I trust them, and I like the fact that they're very proactive about dental care, which I think is great. And beyond that, I just think that they're good people. So I enjoy coming here and talking to them and just enjoy coming back all the time.
Hi, I'm Carol Fry. I moved to Carlisle in 2007, and my doctor from York, Pennsylvania recommended Dr. Sproul and Dr. Wong. So it worked out fine because I can walk over from my house. And I walk over here, and the first one I see in the office is Sue, who is always such a friendly, lovely person. And then I saw Dr. Sproul first, and he took all these pictures of my mouth, and he analyzed what he thought I should have done. And I wondered about all this stuff he was suggesting, like a periodontist and having a tooth pulled and an implant put in and some crowns. Well, over the next period of a couple of years, I ended up doing everything they recommended, and my mouth and teeth have never felt better. It's wonderful.
I'm Catherine Roman, and I've been coming to see Dr. Sproul for a very long time. I'm from the area originally, and what I've enjoyed most about this practice is not only the care that I've received and the fact that it's a comfortable and even enjoyable experience, it's hearing about what Dr. Sproul's been doing in the community, whether he's been in Harrisburg talking to lawmakers or writing letters to the editor about why soda shouldn't be allowed in our schools. So that's certainly interesting and entertaining on top of just a really enjoyable experience.